Today we'll be assembling your light table with you. I've already removed these bolts from this cover here. In your kit you have the table itself. If you live in Russia, you get 2 batteries. If you don't live in Russia, you'll need to buy an 18650 battery without protection circuit. This is what it looks like. You also have this bushing in your kit. There's also this stand and of course a remote control. Now let's get back to our batteries. I'll set aside the bolts for now. Let's remove the cover. Here you can see it says plus minus polarity. Don't mix them up. This is the plus and this is the minus. Insert, insert. The polarity is all good. Take the cover, take our bolts and gently screw them in. The bolts are in place. Next, we have this bushing, which we also screw in. This is done just once. You won't need to take these batteries out again. Here you have a Type-C charging port. Now I'll show you how to charge the table while it's in this condition. We have a standard Type-C connector. Insert it, turn it, and as you can see, the red LED is lit. When the batteries are fully charged, it will turn blue. I strongly advise against turning on the table while charging. This can negatively affect your table and battery condition. Next, we need to assemble the stand. It's simple. We unscrew this standard stand, then tighten the knob, but don't over-tighten it. The table is stable enough. Now I'll raise it to my desired height. Again, I tighten this knob and then loosen it. We don't need the charger anymore. Next, flip it over, position it, and secure the table with the knob so it's firmly tightened. And I didn't show in the video that we have a rubber plug for the Type-C port to keep moisture out. Let me turn it around now to show you. Now I'll use this plug. Here it is. Close the hole. Basically, the table's ready to use. Our table. It has a button below. We turn it on and it lights up. And then we have a remote. Here's a QR code. You can scan it and go to the app, which also controls this table. I'll lower it a bit because it's too high for me. Now, just a second, like that. That's much more comfortable for me. Next, let's take a look. We can obviously turn it off and on. All clear. You can turn on this white mode. You can turn on automatic mode. It switches between different ones it likes. Also, we have red, green, blue. Everything's clear, right? This mode here, mixed colors, I'd say, right? So it'll gradually change colors here. Next, my favorite mode, M. We can control the color change speed by pressing M plus. See, it goes faster. Or M minus. Accordingly, the transition happens much slower here. In M2 mode, same story. Press M plus to make it run faster, or M minus to make it run slower. Well, also has faster, slower options. Or it might flash if we want it to. You can speed this up too. It'll look like this. You can make it fast or slow down these patterns. Same thing here. You can speed it up or slow it down. And M8 is color coming from both sides. Now our circle will finish here and a different colored circle will start, right? That's how the filling process works. Next we have a mode. Let's say we turn on M1 and press sound. Then our table will respond to sound and voice. Well, it has a built-in microphone. It reacts quite well to music or to voice. The second mode is also voice activated, but these little patterns will run differently. You can experiment with it. I've turned on my favorite mode, adding a bit more speed. I'm working on my absolute favorite mode, Rainbow. I wish you pleasant experiences with this table. See you next time.